Hello, welcome back to Mrs. Hewitt's Spelling at Home, your Key Stage 1 session today. So we're going to look at a digraph today, which is when two letters make one sound. Di meaning two, graph meaning letters. So we are going to do this today. So this makes the sound. So can you all say that at home, okay? That's right. Now there are other letters which make the sound, because you could have an I and R that sometimes makes sometimes makes ear, and you can also have a U and an R which makes So today we're going to be looking at the ER making the and these normally come at the ends of words. So if you're saying a word, for example, burn or girl, and then you can hear that there's another sound at the end, there's another letter at the end like burn, it's not going to be the E and the R, okay? That's going to be either the IR or the UR. The ER comes at the end of a word, and it can mean somebody that does something, okay? Or it can mean more, so like bigger or smaller, okay? So today we're going to look at some words. So I have started off with this one, and that says runner. So a runner is somebody who runs, okay? So we've got the root word run, and then we've put on to make runner. And like I said, you could also have bigger, smaller, fatter, so it's a comparing word as well. And it's got that sound at the end. So an important thing for you to remember is when you're writing a word and you can hear that sound at the end, it's normally the ER digraph that goes at the end of a word. So have a go at thinking of some. Jobs are really good things to think of, and like I say, comparing words. So pause the video and see if you can think of some of them and have a go at sounding them out, writing them down at home. Okay, off you go. Okay, so I mentioned bigger and smaller and taller. I've also got this one here, and again, if we can take that ER off, you can read this word which says farm, and then we've got a farmer, and that is somebody that works on a farm, isn't it? Okay, somebody that does the farming. So we've got a farmer. We have got a player, so somebody who plays. We've got a player. And then I've included a couple of words that you do use quite a lot in your writing, and they do have slightly harder to spell maybe, but you can break them up. So we've got together. Okay, and remember, breaking words into syllables is a really good way of sounding them out. So if you go together, you can say, well, I can write I can write geth, I can sound out that, and then at the end, together. And I've just dropped on the floor. This is one of our sight words, so I've written it in green, and this says other. And the reason it's a sight word is that we've got this O here, which normally makes the O sound, but in this instance it makes an sound, okay? So this one says other, and again we could put an M on the front and that would say mother, or we could have brother or another, okay? So when remembering that other sound, other is with an O, not a U. That's another tricky one, but we've got at the end, other. So we have gone through our comparing words: bigger, smaller, taller, shorter, thinner, okay, happier, sadder, all those sorts of ones that you can compare two things. And we've also gone through our people words, so a player, a runner, a farmer, a teacher, okay? So they are your words that have that ER on the end. Have a go now at writing a sentence or two using a couple of those words. And also when you're about and you're using those words, try and think of that. So if you're maybe talking about different jobs, or you see somebody, or if you're comparing things at home, you could get your toys and you could talk about which ones are bigger and which ones are smaller, and you could write those words down, couldn't you, longer, and try and make sure that you remember that ER on the end. So I've got a sentence for you here. It says the player wanted, that's one of our words from last week, wanted another game. So I've got player and another I could have put another longer game, couldn't I, to make it even better, another longer game. So we've got our comparing words and our people words, okay, ending in ER. That is something for you to remember as an ending sound. If you hear the in the middle of a word, it's not normally the ER, okay? That's a bit of a clue there for you. So enjoy that. Good luck with your writing. Good luck with your sentence. Don't forget your capital letter and your full stop at the end. And I will see you back here tomorrow. Bye.